Hey, so here I'm gonna show you how you can check your Instagram recent or old watch history in the quickest way possible. So first you have to open up your Instagram and here you can see I just watched these videos. Now let's find where we can see these videos in the watch history list. So for that you just have to head over to your profile and tap the hamburger menu. Then from the list you have to choose your activity and now scroll down a bit and here you will find this watch history option. And from this page all the videos you have watched before show up. And if you want to find something faster, you can sort the oldest to newest, filter by date, choose a specific creator, or tap all authors to see videos from one person only. And that's it. It's super quick and easy. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.